What's up, y'all? It's Thedopelee, and I'm back with another video. And this is a quick vlog.
Thedopelee, that's the girl.
Say nah. Y'all, this is my hair. Y'all like my hair? I'm about to go ahead and do a quick photo shoot, and I want to bring y'all in. Bring y'all in to see what I do behind the scenes to get my pictures perfect. I'm about to go get my makeup done. So it's not gonna be that much talking in this video. It's gonna be like a quick vlog of behind the scenes. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy. So let's come on in and get started and see what Lee be doing. So y'all, I'm here about to get my makeup done. Hey y'all. Tell them your Instagram, shout yourself out, period.
My Instagram is DANAI MUA for makeup and DANAI Elise for
she do wigs.
Oh, and DANAI Elise wigs for wigs.
Yeah, so make sure I'm gonna leave everything at the bottom. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get my makeup done. So this is the behind the scenes, and it starts.
You got me feeling all type of ways, yeah. I never felt these feelings before. Wish you knew I've been missing you, yeah. What I went through was all for you. Boy, you can say what you wanna. I know where I belong now. And you can act scared if you wanna. I know I won't waste your time. All those tears waited on you so I could face my fears. After all these years, look where we got here, yeah. Boy, you don't know what you do to me. I need you to see I'm in love with you. Baby, I need you.